credit or debit? It's the question you answer dozens of times without thinking. But what if I told you that this simple choice could be the difference between financial protection and financial risk? Between reaping the benefits and opting for the basics? Between sleeping peacefully and possibly losing all your money in your bank account? Stick with me till the end. This is MindSnack Finance. Bite-sized lessons with lasting value. Let's be honest, cash is barely used. When's the last time you paid for something with actual bills? Electronic payments have taken over our daily lives, and that's not changing. The question isn't whether to go digital, it's which payment method you choose. Most people think these two pieces of plastic are basically the same. They couldn't be more wrong. One is a financial shield. The other, it's like walking around with your bank account wide open, hoping nobody notices. But here's what nobody tells you. Not all plastic is created equal. Your choice between credit and debit isn't just about convenience. It's about protection, perks, and potentially thousands of dollars in benefits you're either claiming or leaving on the table. And before you think this is just about those travel rewards everyone talks about, let me stop you right there. The rewards? That's just the cherry on top. The real value is in the fortress of protection that credit cards build around your financial life. Picture this nightmare scenario. You're checking your bank account on a Tuesday morning. Yesterday you had $3,000. Today you have $0. A fraudster got your debit card information and cleaned you out while you slept. With a debit card, that's your actual money gone. You're suddenly stranded until the bank investigates, which can take days. You can't pay for anything. You're financially paralyzed while others figure out what happened to your funds. With a credit card, the fraudster took the bank's money, not yours. Your actual cash never moved. You report the fraud, they issue a new card, and life continues. Zero liability protection means you pay nothing, not even the first dollar of fraudulent charges. But it goes deeper. Remember that laptop you bought last month? The one you spilled coffee on? With a debit card, you're dealing with the manufacturer's limited warranty. With a credit card, purchase protection steps in. Many cards will replace or refund items that break, get stolen, or arrive damaged. Planning a vacation? Your credit card likely includes travel insurance that covers trip cancellations, medical emergencies abroad, lost luggage, and rental car insurance. That's thousands in coverage that probably you didn't even know you had. Extended warranties? Your credit card automatically doubles most manufacturer warranties. That 2-year laptop warranty becomes 4 years, free of charge. And the credit card benefits don't stop there. But here's where I need to be brutally honest with you. Credit cards are not for everybody. They're like power tools, incredibly useful in the right hands, potentially dangerous in the wrong ones. Unfortunately, credit cards lead many people into overspending and financial trouble. Not because credit cards are evil, but because they make spending feel painless. When you swipe a debit card, you see that money leave your account. When you swipe a credit card, it feels like free money until the statement arrives. Some people see their credit limit as extra income. Others use credit cards to handle emergencies they should have saved for. Both approaches lead to the same place. A debt spiral that can take years to escape. Using a credit card requires financial discipline. You need to see it as what it really is, a powerful payment method tied to your actual income, not a way to live beyond your means. So, how do you harness the power without falling into the trap? 3 non-negotiable rules that separate the winners from the losers. Rule number 1, pay your balance in full every month. Not the minimum, not most of it. Every single dollar. If you can't do this consistently, most likely you are overspending and you're not ready for a credit card. The moment you carry a balance, interest eats your rewards and makes every purchase cost more. Rule number 2, never spend beyond your means. Your credit limit is not your spending limit, your income is. If you wouldn't buy it with cash from your checking account, don't buy it with credit. Rule number 3, have an emergency fund in place before you get serious about credit cards. This is your insurance policy. When life throws you a curveball, you reach for savings, not credit. Follow these 3 rules and you never will get in trouble. And yes, you will earn the rewards that actually put money back in your pocket. When you use credit cards the smart way, the rewards truly taste sweet. You're earning cash back on groceries you were buying anyway. You're getting travel points for gas you needed to purchase. You're receiving protection on purchases you were making regardless. Meanwhile, the debit card user gets none of these benefits. They're paying the same prices, taking the same risks, but receiving zero rewards and minimal protection. It's like choosing to fly coach when first class costs the same, if you know how to play the game. Over a lifetime, smart credit card use can mean thousands in rewards, tens of thousands in protection value, and priceless peace of mind. That's not just a payment method, that's a powerful financial tool. So, credit or debit? Honestly, that's your choice. But now you know the real stakes. One protects and rewards you. The other leaves you vulnerable and empty-handed. Just remember, with great credit comes great responsibility. Use it in a thoughtful way, and it becomes your financial superpower. If you're ready to level up your financial game, choose wisely. And if this opened your eyes to money you're leaving on the table, subscribe for more financial strategies that actually pay you back.